What if I told you you could make money from AI without followers, skills, or even showing your face? Most people think you need to be a tech genius or a famous YouTuber to profit from artificial intelligence. But that's completely wrong. We found a method so simple a 10-year-old could do it, and it requires zero investment to start. Imagine waking up, spending just 30 minutes on your laptop, and then seeing payments roll into your account for the rest of the day. This isn't a dream, it's a new reality powered by a single, mind-blowing AI tool. This is the ultimate side hustle for 2024, and it's completely untapped. Forget about spending months learning a new skill or building an audience from scratch. We're talking about flipping digital products that an AI creates for you in literally seconds. Today, we'll show you how people are making $50 to $250 a day using a single AI tool, and how you can copy it in minutes. We bought the tool, tested the method, and found the clients to prove it works. And the best part? We're going to give you the exact step-by-step blueprint. Every prompt, every message, every platform, everything you need to start earning by the end of this video. This is not financial advice, but it's the closest thing to a money printing machine I've ever seen. So, if you want to see how we turn a simple AI command into cold, hard cash, do not click away. You're about to witness the laziest, most effective way to make money online. Let's do this. Meet Tome.app, an AI tool that creates stunning professional presentations from just a single sentence. No design, copywriting, or research skills needed. Just type what you want, and Tome instantly generates a multi-slide deck with text, images, and a clean layout. Businesses pay thousands for pitch decks. Now you can deliver them in under a minute. Connect the need with the solution, get paid, and work smarter, not harder. The quality is genuinely shocking, like a high-end agency, but unlimited and instant. Okay, theory is great, but let's make some money. I'm going to show you, click by click, how ridiculously easy this is. First, go to Tome.app and sign up for a free account. It takes 30 seconds. In the dashboard, use the creation bar at the top. This is your moneymaker. Type a detailed prompt like, create a 10-slide pitch deck for a sustainable coffee startup called Earth Brew. Hit enter, and wait about 45 seconds. The AI writes everything a real investor wants to see. It generates custom images and organizes it into a clean design. You now have a complete 10-slide professional pitch deck. Edit it like a Google Doc if needed. Export as a PDF or share the direct link. Post the link on Fiverr, Upwork, or Facebook groups. This is the new age of digital arbitrage. Get in on the ground floor. You have an incredible product. Now you need customers. And trust me, they're everywhere. Forget complicated ads or fancy websites. Go straight to Facebook groups. Search for groups like Startup Entrepreneurs or Angel Investors in Startups. Join, then look for posts asking for pitch deck help or complaining about designer prices. These are your golden tickets. Send a direct message. Hey, I saw your post. I create investor-ready pitch decks in 24 hours for $49. It's an impulse buy, speed, quality, and price. You'll have clients begging to pay you. You are the Uber for pitch decks. Making $50 a day is cool. Making $500 a day while you sleep is even cooler. Once you've got the hang of this, it's time to automate and scale. Start with a Google form to collect client info. Connect it to your workflow using Zapier for automation. Clients get a payment link automatically. The system handles orders and payments for you. Batch your work. Fulfill multiple orders at once. Offer upsells like unlimited revisions or branding for extra profit. Hire a VA to handle everything. That's how you scale to the moon with a real automated business. Let's break down the real numbers. No hype, just facts. Charge $50 for a pitch deck. Land one client a day, 5 days a week. That's $250 a week, or $1,000 a month, just for about 15 minutes of work per client. For most, that's a car payment, rent, or a big boost to savings. Scale up with repeat clients and upsells, and your income grows fast. Nearly 100% profit margin. The AI does the work, you just facilitate and collect. The money is there for the taking. So there you have it. The complete blueprint to earning $50, $100, or even $250 a day using an AI tool that does 99% of the work for you. We showed you the tool, how to use it, where to find clients who are ready to pay, and how to scale it into an automated business. There are no more excuses. You don't need a fancy degree, a huge following, or any special skills. You just need to take action. While other people are still debating whether AI will take their jobs, you can be one of the smart few who are already using it to make a fortune. The opportunity is right here, right now, but it won't last forever. As more people discover tools like Tome, the market will get more competitive. The ones who get in now, who build their client list and their reputation on Fiverr and Upwork first, are the ones who will dominate. You have a head start on everyone else who watches this video and does nothing. Be the person who tries. Spend 30 minutes today setting this up. What's the worst that can happen? You learn something new. The best that can happen, you build a new income stream that changes your life. This is the kind of opportunity we're all about. Simple, smart, and effective ways to make money in the digital world. Subscribe to Grab Gold now. We reveal digital flips like this every week. We do the research so you don't have to. No face, no voice, just smart moves. Stop just watching videos about making money and start actually doing it. Go to Tome.app, find one client and make your first $50. Let AI work while you collect. Thanks for watching. Now go get that bag.